Okay, here's a song about my sweetheart down south. Yes, well, you might ask, is he a fox? Oh, shut your mouth. Now, his mama taught him to be seen and not heard. So when he's having a good time, oh, he coos like a bird.
Yeah, yes.
Well, he hails from Atlanta. He's got a soft southern style, and the way he's put together, holy mackerel, honey child. He don't like conversation, no, he's never been one to chat. But when he holds me close, good Lord, he knows exactly where he's at. Down to the nitty gritty, he don't waste a lot of time. We start to spoon, and pretty soon he's home in Georgia on my mind. Then he makes those crazy little sounds in my ear. Then I did every dictionary, everybody's coming through like a clear. When my baby says he loves me without a single word, he's my Dixie hummingbird. Oh, how much you know, baby. Well, now he hardly ever speaks. I guess he never finds the need. But you must admit that 1,000 words don't stack up to the deeds. He lets his actions do his talking, and he tries so hard to please. And he's mighty fine, he's all mine, and I'm his main squeeze. Well, he's really saying something with a language all his own. Well, he may not know the words, but he can really hum along. And when he makes those crazy little sounds in my ear, then I did any dictionary, everybody's coming through like a clear. When my baby says he loves me without a single word, he's my Dixie hummingbird. What a guy. Sex symbol of the Bob Ron show. Yeah, when my baby says he loves me without a single word, he's my Dixie. He's my Dixie hummingbird.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, yes.
Nancy James and Colonel Parker.
Yeah, yeah.